The act is a bill that was passed on March 7th of 2024 that addresses where and how individuals in South Carolina may carry handguns. The act amended previous laws that allow anyone under the age of 18 to carry a handgun on their person, whether concealed or openly carried. Under the act, a gun can be stored anywhere inside of a vehicle. A prior law only allowed a handgun to be stored in certain places without a concealed carry permit. However, this new law allows it to be stored anywhere inside the vehicle. The act doesn't change any standing laws or prior laws regarding the possession of machine guns, any unlawful firearms, or the possession of any stolen weapons. The biggest benefit to having a concealed weapons permit now is going through the classes related to obtaining a concealed weapons permit, learning how to safely handle, store, and carry a firearm is just as important as it ever has been. Under the act, SLED instituted a system in order to allow each county to set up classes free of charge to South Carolina residents in order to obtain a concealed weapons permit. Under the act, anyone under the age of 18 is unable to carry a firearm. Additionally, a new offense was provided in the act that allows a conviction against anyone who possesses a firearm who has a prior conviction that carries more than 1 year in prison as a sentence. The act did not change or amend other common prohibitions that we see, such as prior convictions for domestic violence offenses or any order by a circuit court judge deeming an individual to be unfit to carry a firearm. Under the new law, unlawfully carrying a firearm is defined as carrying a handgun, whether openly or concealed carry, and whether or not you have a concealed weapons permit into specifically designated places under the law, such as a courthouse, law enforcement building or detention facility, polling place, county office, public school district building or municipal office, daycares and preschools, school or college athletic events, church or religious sanctuaries, hospitals and other medical facilities, businesses that sell liquor, beer, or wine for consumption on their premises, residences of other persons without their express permission, and anywhere displaying a no concealed weapon sign. One important change brought about by the law is in relation to firearms on the school premises. Under the new law, firearms still cannot be carried into schools by anyone other than those expressly permitted by school staff. However, a new change to the law allows for firearms to be kept in attended or locked vehicles on school premises as long as they're stored in a closed glove compartment, closed center console, or in the trunk or passenger compartment of a vehicle, as long as it's stored inside a lockable container. The new law outlines subsequent enhanced penalties for unlawfully carrying a handgun. For a first offense, a person can be fined up to $1,000 and or up to 1 year in jail. The second offense carries up to 3 years, and a third or subsequent offense is a felony, which carries up to 5 years. If you or someone you know loses a firearm or has a firearm stolen, you should immediately alert local law enforcement as to the incident. Under the new law, failure to report a lost or stolen firearm within 10 days of discovery of the incident is a violation of law and is a misdemeanor.